Meaning of internal combustion engine.
Internal combustion engine.
Internal combustion engine.
Internal combustion engine.
Internal combustion engine. An internal combustion engine is a type of engine that converts fuel into power by igniting the fuel and air mixture inside the engine's cylinders. The combustion process generates a high-pressure force that pushes pistons, producing mechanical energy that can be used to power machinery such as cars, trucks, planes, and boats. Internal combustion engines are commonly used because they are efficient, relatively inexpensive, and powerful. There are two main types of internal combustion engines: spark ignition, petrol/gasoline, engines, and compression ignition, diesel, engines.